Hey guys, it's Amy Fame to Plan, and I am back with another Stickerbook flip through. So this sticker book, the Girl with Goals sticker book, is being released as part of Happy Planner's Spring 2021 release. And so I was able to get mine at Michael's, and it was released early. And so if you're looking to try to get this book, just keep in mind that I was able to pick it up early, and that's why my flip through is up early. But if you are looking for it, I would assume that it's widely available. It's not meant to be limited edition or a limited release. So in the description, I will include the SKU number and a link to the Michaels website where you can just take a look at this book for yourself and hopefully be able to order it. But this is Girl with Goals, so without further ado, we're just going to jump right into it. So Girl with Goals, I'm so excited about because these are just like the perfect colors for me. I love the colors of it. I have the Girl with Goals extension pack, the work from home extension pack, and it's just so fabulous, the colors that are in there. So I'm excited about flipping through this. All right, this one has 701 pieces. And again, it's Girl with Goals. So let's just jump right into it. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so it starts off with just like this beautiful, like it's, I'm not going to call that gold. It's almost like a bronze kind of color, but not quite that dark. So it's gold, but like a little bit muted. So it's not like exactly gold. So that's really pretty. I love that. Again, love these colors. So pretty. All right. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. I love this design, this like design element that they included here with the Girl with Goals. I love that. That's so pretty. Like it has these kind of patterns. So pretty. This weekend, I really like that. That's kind of like you could put it in your like vertical, classic vertical layout, and it's a good chance to like designate Saturday, Sunday, but it's just cute at the same time. I love that. Right here it is in my favorite color. Love that. Right, and again, it's not gold. It feels kind of bronze to me. It's not copper either. So I'm gonna call it bronze. If you feel like it's a different color, you just let me know. But I'm going to say bronze. Okay, and then here are some more headings, just without the foiling. All right, get it done. These are like the little half circles. These are super cute to use as layering. So love those. And again, love the color here. These are like the very long ones that you can put on your sidebar. It says, this one says goals. What is your goal this week? What can you do to achieve your goal? Why is this goal important to you? And then here's reflect. Did you meet your goal this week? What can you improve for next week? And then list some ways you made yourself proud. That's really cute. All right. Again, just a second sheet of that. And then a third sheet of that. Right. These are like little watercolor swatches. And this is on clear paper. The other one was on white. This one's on clear. Right, here are some headings. These are on a kind of like an angle. Right, this is definitely like, it's champagne. It's a different color even from like earlier, right? So earlier I called it kind of bronzy. This one's kind of champagne-y. This is so pretty. Can you see that? Like, just look at this one. That is not gold. That's not bronze. It's kind of like a champagne. It really is. Like a silvery champagne color. That's beautiful. Okay, I love this. I like these. These are cute. I'm assuming I had it on the previous page too. I just didn't notice. All right, so here are some like laptops, and then coffee o'clock, which is like pretty much all the time for me. And then these are like little like pill shaped, like ovally. It's not oval, but you know, like pill shaped. So you can like write a little message in there. Right, page number 2 of that. Right, you got this, babe. Work, work, work. There's a bunch of other quotes in there. And then some washi strips. All right, again, this is kind of like that bronzy color, the muted gold color, whatever color we land on. All right, some daily goals here. Page number 2 of that. Right, and then again, the not gold, bronzy gold foiling. And then here's the champagne, silvery color version of it. And then black. All right, those last 3 were on clear quotes, like clear sticker paper. This one is on clear as well. Love this. This is so cute. Right, then here, the most important project you will ever work on is you. I love that one. And then some other quotes in there. Look at that. That's so pretty. This whole sticker book is just amazing. I love that. Okay. I'm definitely keeping this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this one. Okay, so this is Girl with Goals. It's just gorgeous. Like for me, it's just like making my like eggplant plum loving heart just shrieking happiness, right? This color is just amazing to me. Okay. So that was the flip through with Girl with Goals of Girl with Goals. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, bye.